hope you all would be fine and safe at your homes. Music is important thing in our life. Music is the soul of our life. So we will start with music, and we will start today with the guitar lessons. First of all, I will give you introduction of the guitar. Just I will give a basic introduction of guitar. For example, this is plectrum. First of all, this is plectrum. We will hold this like this. We will place a thumb on this side and a finger on this side. After that, these are the strings of the guitar and these are the frets. These lines, copper lines are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and so on. And the difference between these two lines is called a fret. And these are the frets of the guitar. And these are the strings of the guitar. These are the tuning keys of the guitar, by which we can tune our strings of guitar. Okay. Then now I will come on the strings of the guitar. How can we will tune the strings of the guitars? First of all, we will start from the bottom. The first string is E. E. Second string is from the bottom. I am counting. First string is E. Second is B. Third is G. Fourth is D. Fifth is A, and sixth is A. The easy formula to remember the tuning of the keys is every beautiful girl deserves an I. I'm repeating again. Every beautiful girl deserves an I. And with interesting formula we can remind this and we can remember this. Every E, beautiful, B, girl, G, deserves, D, and A, I, E. And now I am repeating E. First, one E is the sharp from the bottom. This is also E, and the top, this is also E. This is the bass and this is the sharp. Now I am coming to the first basic chords of the guitar. We will start with the chords. The simple chord. First chord is A. This is A major chord. We will see how can we play easily the A major chord on the guitar. This is an open chord. We will start second fret. We will place first finger. This is first finger in the guitar. This is the second finger. This is the third finger, and this is the fourth finger. This is thumb. Now first finger, first of all we will place first finger on the fourth string, and the second finger on the third string, and third finger on the second string. Now we will play slowly. This is A major chord. I am repeating again. First finger on the fourth string, second finger on the third string, third finger on the second string on the second fret. Okay, I am repeating again. First finger on the fourth string, second finger on the third string, third finger on the second string. This is A major chord. Okay, this is one chord. Every song has 2 or 3 chords. We can provide 4 and 5 chords in one song, but in this song we will take only 3 chords, 3 basic chords, so that it can be easy for you. Okay, we have played A major chord. Now we will play D major chord. D major is first finger on the third string, second finger on the first string, third finger on the third string of the third fret. I am repeating again. First finger on the third string of the second fret, second finger on the first string of the second fret, third finger on the second string of the third fret. This is D major chord. This is A major. This is D major. And now we will come on the E major chord. This is on the first fret. We will start with the first finger on the third string, second finger on the second fret, fifth string, and third finger on the second fret, fourth string. Okay, I'm repeating again. First finger on the first fret, third string. Second finger on the fifth string, second fret. Third string on the second fret, fourth string. Okay, this is D major, E major. Okay, now we have done three chords. I'm repeating the chords: A major, D major, E major. Okay, in few seconds we will start a song. Just listen to the chords first. Now we will start the song. This is the four strokes. We will start with that. I hope you have enjoyed the lesson and you can play with your guitar at your homes. Stay safe, stay happy. Thank you.